time.
I can hear the excitement in your
Oh yeah,
voice.
baby. So long as I don't have to make them.
You're happy to taste test for
Oh
me?
yeah.
Gee, thanks. All right, so we're starting off with one that was recommended by our neighbour. So he sent me a link, and then I had to find it because the link didn't work.
Hang on, our neighbour.
Yeah.
He's recommending cocktails to us.
Well, he just saw it and he thought it might be nice for us to try.
Okay. Is this some sort of a hint that he wants to come over for cocktails?
We should actually make him one. I don't know if he's home or not, but we should actually make him one. And no, okay.
Oh, it'll be leave the money on the fridge.
He did the research. Come on.
Oh, all right then.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we're supposed to prepare the glass first. So I'll show you how we do that. In this bowl, I've just got some simple syrup. Yeah. So just dip the edge of it into the simple syrup and then let it sort of drip off a bit. And this is called a Doughnu-tini, and it's based on the classic cinnamon donut. That's why I'm doing this part.
Ah,
So
okay.
the simple syrup on the rim, and then I've got here a bowl of cinnamon sugar. I know, I don't say it right, doesn't matter. And I just made my own by combining
Cinnamon and sugar, I suppose.
ground cinnamon and caster sugar.
There you go.
So I didn't go out and buy cinnamon sugar specially. Okay, so you can see it has a little rim of cinnamon sugar there. So the glass is ready.
Okay.
Oh, hang on a minute, it's dribbling.
It needs some alcohol. It's on the inside, dear.
Oh, sorry. Oops. Yum. All right, so we're going to start in here. We're going to throw some ice in here. And because it's me, I'm using this.
Not the hand.
No, I'm not like you.
Easier with the hands. Dear.
It's all right, I'll avoid that one, you grub. Okay. Now, we have ice. Now we're going to put in there 30 ml. I don't know shot-wise what that is.
Half a nip, the small one.
That one?
Yep.
Okay. So 30 ml of spiced rum, please.
Spiced
That can't
rum.
be. Can we change that and make it a full nip?
Mate.
Only because then we have to use 15 ml of vanilla liqueur. So that's going to get awfully messy and confusing. So we'll make it a full one. There's two of us to share it anyway. Okay. And
Yes.
then we need 15 ml of vanilla liqueur. So the spiced rum you're using is...
Yeah, just a generic one that I had laying around and, you know.
Yeah, as you do.
I have a few.
All right, so 15 ml of vanilla liqueur.
Vanilla liqueur. Vanilla Galliano.
I didn't know that was a thing until you told me. Italian. Okay. Oh, there you go. Sabrina, I
Italian.
like this one.
Yeah. How much of this?
15.
15.
And then 15 of the chocolate liqueur, and that's the chocolatey one.
Okay.
Actually, might probably work better. No, make it the clear one, please.
Clear one.
Yeah. So we've got
Oh my God, that's so good.
We've got two versions of Mozart. We've got the ordinary one, the gold label one, which is milk chocolate, and then the dark chocolate is actually clear, so you can use it in cocktails.
Yes. And that looks like that.
So you look at it and you'd never think chocolate, but yeah. So we need 15 of that too, please.
15.
No, just 15. Don't spill it accidentally or anything like that. No. I'll make you suck it out of the tablecloth.
Oh yeah. You won me.
Yeah. No more. A bit more. That's not 15 properly.
Yeah. You said you don't want me to spill it?
We'll put a dribble more in then. A dribble. You and your dribbles. Okay. Now we need 30 ml of the cream. And we're using thickened because that's what I had in the fridge. So 30 of that, please.
Oh my God. 30.
That's the small end. Do you want to use the small end or the big end? It's 30.
30.
Remember, we're doing it that way, yeah.
30.
And then we're having, into that you are putting 2 dashes of the bitters. And we're using the orange bitters just because I like the taste of it.
Yeah, fair enough.
Oh, we had the other ones, but
Yeah.
I wasn't worried about it.
This is the Angostura bitters, but
It's orange.
orange one.
They have all sorts now, don't they?
Yeah, they have a few.
Yeah.
As it happens, we have most of them. Okay, just a few dashes, you
No,
reckon?
2 dashes it says. It's very specific. That's 2 dashes. All right. Now we're going to do the shake, shake, shake.
Shake it, baby.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's got cold quick. Whoa.
Oh, it's nice.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you've got to strain it into it.
Well,
I don't know why. I don't think there's anything.
luckily, there is a strainer.
Yeah, but don't mess up the sides, the edges.
But it's...
I'm glad we went double. Otherwise it'd be a scrimpy old drink.
Yes. That's why I don't get 15 ml of stuff.
Now, if we were serving this for next door, could you pass me the cinnamon donut, please?
Cinnamon.
We went a bit crazy at Krispy Kreme. All right, and what I would do for next door, I would either make a slice in it and wrap it around the bottom. So it just goes.
Oh, okay.
So they actually have a cinnamon donut with it so that it looks like that. Or what else you could do is cut the donut in half, completely in half, and then cut a slit in it and perch it on the edge. Try not to cut myself here. I'm making a mess, but I don't care. Okay, and then see if we can do it. I'm trying to find the edge. Here we go. And just pop the donut on the edge of it for something different.
There you go.
Okay, have a drink.
Taste test.
Me first? Okay. I think the cinnamon on the edge is going to make it. Whoa, that's strong. That's for me. So, taste.
What's the flavour like though?
Pretty tasty, actually. And it doesn't taste much like this.
I think could have used a little bit more of the chocolate liqueur. My thought.
Okay.
But it's not overly sweet. It's definitely reminiscent of the the donut.
But that's because of the cinnamon sugar. Cheers to you, neighbour. And of course, because we were doing the donuts, we went all nuts at lovely Krispy Kreme. And the lovely girl at Water Gardens who served us, she was just so patient with us.
She was.
So we went the whole hog and got other ones, but... Yum.
Yep.
I don't mind that.
Okay.
But do you think with more chocolate? We'll try that next time. That's our Doughnu-tini.
I'm going to have some more of that.
Well, you may as well. Don't waste.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I don't mind it
I don't
either.
mind that either.
No.
Very nice cold the way it is through the shaker.
Okay.
That's very nice. Very tasty.
All right. So we have another shaker here.
We do.
125 mils of this.
Okay.
Do you want this one?
Yep.
If you can do that, I'll put some ice in it.
Yep.
They're nice big ice blocks. I quite like that. Okay, 125 mils in there, please.
So that'll be the full whack.
Well, it's only 75 up the side. In the meantime, I'm going to get our cocktail glass and dip it in simple syrup again. Now, in that same doohickey, I want the same amount of the chocolate Mozart, not the clear Mozart.
Aha! Same again.
Yes.
Okay.
So the equal amounts of cream and chocolate liqueur.
Yep. Now, for those that aren't familiar with this stuff,
Yum.
it is literally liquid chocolate with a bit of alcohol.
It's very nice.
It is amazing.
And for those of you who like Baileys and Cointreau, this and Cointreau gives you like a Jaffa.
Whoa, I like this. I like them, this one already.
Okay.
Wow. Same as the cream.
Same as the cream, yep. So this one is called a Snickers Martini. So I have dipped the edge into simple syrup again and then into crushed peanuts. Obviously, just make yourself a Mars bar and leave the peanuts out if that's going to bother you.
Yep. There you go.
And you can dip the edge if you don't want to, if you've got that peanut issue and you don't want it or you don't like peanuts, just dip the edge into chocolate sprinkles, something like that, and then just do the chocolate liqueur and the cream. And the next part is 2 tablespoons of butterscotch schnapps. I've got the feeling, doesn't this have tablespoons on the edge? Mils, ounces,
Inside, I think.
tablespoons.
Oh, there you go.
So you need to do
Oh,
2 tablespoons is up to there.
yep. And a little bit of butterscotch schnapps. I think someone's been at that. That seems a little low.
You've had it for a while. It's probably time to top up anyway, so.
Oh, okay. There we go.
So 2 tablespoons. And then we have some shaking action, please.
Oh, I can shake it, baby.
So with this one, be careful not to disturb the peanuts. And what they suggest is to cut Snickers bars into tiny little pieces and thread them on a skewer and all that. But I just see that.
Yeah, no.
If you want to be really fancy, you can. But
And hold your little pinky out.
yeah. No, you don't have to put the whole thing. That's enough for now, I think. We can always top it up. It's not going to waste.
Oh, might.
All right. So this is the Snicker-tini. The other one was the Doughnu-tini. This is the Snicker-tini. Ooh,
Yeah.
try that.
Bit of all right, is it, love?
I don't mind that.
Oh, yeah. And you know, I'm not so sure about the cinnamon one, but with this one, with that little bit of the texture of the peanuts on there, is just incredibly good.
I do like that.
We could have some of this evening, I have a feeling.
I don't think there's going to be any left. Can you chop up the glass, please?
Oh,
That one's really good. I really like that one.
almost as good as the honey one, isn't it? The bee's knees.
That is excellent. That's enough. You don't have to put
Oh, yeah, you do. Oh, maybe there's more in there.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, yeah, okay, but that's because...
It's for 2 drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So have another drink.
Oh, this is how you pour a martini. Oh my God, that is so good. Real creamy, real chocolatey.
That is yum.
Just that hint of butterscotch.
Mm-hmm.
That's magnificent. I could have me some more of them.
I think that's a good idea.
I think I could have me a lot more of them.
Alright, so you could just, this one could be fancy with the little stick with the Snickers bar on it. This one could have a bit of donut, or you put a donut, cinnamon donut around the base of it. You still dip both the rims. Oh, that'd be really sweet for a party. You know, you've got a couple of girlfriends around, or boyfriends around, or whatever.
If I got me boyfriends around, I'm sure I'll do that.
Well, if next door comes around, you're going to have to make him these so he can taste them and see what he thinks.
Good idea. So long as he makes them.
No, I'll make them for him. He's a nice neighbour. He was nice enough to give us an anniversary present.
He was.
Nice
He
man.
did.
I don't know whether I want to share this.
That's all right. I got the rest of the shaker here.
You're so uncouth. Okay, I'm drinking.
Never disturb a woman who's drinking.
Not this one.
How good is that? If you like our cocktail stuff, give us a like and a subscribe. And we'll do some more. Don't forget to give us a comment down below.
And seriously, try making these at home. They're so easy. You don't have to have a fancy shaker or anything. You can just put it in a jar and shake it up. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just for the taste of it. Yum!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. One more before I drink it all.
I'm going to top it up.
Good idea. Top it up.
Don't know how much is left. Oh, there's still a little bit in
No,
there.
don't waste it.
Like I'm going to waste it. I'm going to lick the shaker out.